Police were dispatched regarding a trespassing incident. A woman had repeatedly tried to enter the establishment despite being told by management that she was not allowed inside. She became verbally confrontational, questioning why she had to leave the property.
What I want to ask is, why can I not ask questions about the establishment?
You said you just wanted to file a formal complaint.
No,
we don't do that.
No.
Listen. I've been as nice as possible, right?
Please.
You're a trespass from here. You're a trespass from Bull and Whistle.
No.
If we get another call, listen, stop interrupting me.
I'm not interrupting you.
Yes, you are.
Go on.
If we get called about you one more time, I will take you to jail for public nuisance. Do you understand?
I understand.
Stop trying to yell. Do what you got to do. Go home.
Can I talk? Can I talk?
We're done talking.
No.
We're done talking.
We are done. You got to go home.
No, I'm not.
If I get a call about you again for any reason, I'll take you to jail.
No. Oh, he's making it so much worse.
No, actually you are. So let's go. Go with him and go home.
I want to know. I was inside the establishment and I was fine.
They can change their mind. I told you earlier. If they don't want you there, you have to leave.
I don't want to go inside the establishment.
That doesn't matter. You can't stay here.
I know.
You can't harass.
Inside the establishment.
And I'm telling you, you can't stay here.
I'm not.
I've been patient. Do not yell over me.
You haven't.
I have actually.
You haven't listened to what I'm actually trying to say. I'm trying to backtrack to understand the reasoning behind the original dispute. And so can I go back to negotiate the understanding so that this doesn't happen again?
No. They don't
So
want
you're
you
telling me the reasoning behind the understanding of the reasoning that I can't go back in the establishment cannot be understood. So I cannot understand why I cannot do this again.
I have told you already.
That's not good policing.
I have told you already.
I need to know the policing reason as to why I
Okay, if they have the right to say they don't want you to
understand that.
That's it.
On public ground.
That's it.
That leaves me on public ground.
Okay?
So I can stand here and
Then you're in the roadway.
Yeah, that's fine.
No, it's not, because now you're obstructing traffic. Let's go.
What traffic?
You know how are you getting home?
Honestly, I was going to take an Uber back to the fucking boathouse we were at.
That's what we need to do.
That's exactly what we need to do, but I need her to know the address.
Okay.
That is. I might call her mom in a second. I'm going to call her mom as soon as I pick up the shit. Shut the fuck up!
Oh, he's pissing me off. Look, if you want to arrest me, that's absolutely fine, and I won't resist. I just really, genuinely want to understand as to why. I want to know the reasoning.
Here's what's going on. You're really drunk and you're not making any sense.
I am making sense.
I've already explained this to you. They don't want you here because you're really drunk and you're acting like an asshole to everyone.
Give me your phone. I need to call your mom.
Ryan, no.
My phone is dead. Give me your phone.
You need to go home. You need to go
Haley.
home.
Your father's my uncle.
Mr. Redmond, Mr. Ashley.
Shut up. We are walking away right now.
No,
Haley.
Ryan.
Haley.
Oh my God.
You are going to jail if you don't walk with me right now.
Get out of the road.
Haley! Trying to help.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh.
You understand?
Haley, stop. Haley, just let it go.
Back up! Back up! Say that for her. Say that for
Haley, let it happen.
No.
Don't resist.
Alright. Yeah, do that. There you go. Do not hit me. Do you understand? Try and get her out. Alright. Let's go. You're going to jail.
That's fine. Excuse me, next to my arm. Wow.
Flat on your stance. This is not a game. Do you understand?
I understand. I've got nothing illegal on me. You can touch me any way you want.
I'm not touching you.
Not you. Anyone.
Actually, grab her passport from him because I need an ID from her.
Alright, you got her?
Hi.
Ryan, it's fine.
Let's go. No, it's not fine because guess what? Now you're going to jail.
I have no reason.
Not right now. I'm not in the mood.
I have no reason to be going here, and that's why I don't mind.
Touch your head. Well, it's a bit late for that, isn't it? I got that. Huh? I got that. No, you're good. Can you turn on my inner for me?
All this.
Can you package that and weigh that for me? Look at the flip flops on, woman. You're scaring me. No, this comes from the store. It's a store? Yeah. Okay.
He said it was his.
He said it was his?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
It's up to you. You and I would just shoot her.
I can't get this out.
Say it again.
You got your gloves off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I sure can. What do you want?
Pardon? Oh, I just trying to talk to my cousin.
Nah, that's not how this goes.
So, wait, I have a question then. Genuine question.
What?
What are my rights?
Huh?
What are
You
my
don't have one
rights? I
right now.
haven't
You're
been told
detained.
my rights.
You're detained right now.
No, but
They haven't been told. What are you talking about?
I haven't been told my rights.
You have the rights of every U.S. citizen. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know that. I live in the UK, so I don't know what my rights
Okay.
are. Thank you.
So your rights as far as what? Right now you're being arrested for trespassing and disorderly conduct.
Okay, cool.
You're asked to leave multiple times. So your rights right now are to go to jail and bond out in the morning when you see a judge.
So I can't talk to anyone.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to go to jail because you've been asked to leave already multiple times.
Okay, cool.
This is the second place you've been trespassed from tonight. You're already trespassed from the Bull and Whistle earlier tonight. Okay.
Yeah, because I couldn't find my bag. That's
Okay.
not a good reason.
No, it's not. When you're asked to leave, you leave. Okay. So now you're going to go to jail. You'll
Okay.
get booked in. You'll see a judge in the morning. They'll set your bond, and you'll be able to get out from there.
A judge
Yep. A judge, like a magistrate.
in the morning.
Yep.
So I have
You're
to
going to sit in
sleep.
jail all night.
Okay.
You'll see a judge in the morning.
Can I get my jacket when I'm in
Where's your
prison?
jacket?
I don't know. Some
No,
jacket.
they'll probably give you a sweater or something.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
As long as I'm warm.
So just hang tight.
Cool.
What?
Can I ask my cousin for the password to her phone
Nope.
so I can call her mom?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
All right.
Can you just tell my cousin not to
I
worry?
can't tell your cousin nothing.
Well, he's worrying, and I want him not to worry.
It ain't got nothing to do with me. We was worried about everybody else and you weren't listening. Welcome to the United States of America.
I'm from here.
You kick this door again, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm from here.
I flew down here to stay with her and her mom.
Okay.
I don't have I just got here 6 hours ago. I don't have the address. I was with her.
Does she have her? Does she have the?
I have the phone. I got the phone, dude. Like,
You can't call your mom or her mom.
my phone's dead.
What about her phone?
I don't have the code.
I can get Face ID or whatever.
If you bring me with her, I
No,
can
I'm
get
gonna
into
do it.
her
I'll do it
phone.
for you. But you can't be
Can
with
you
her.
get me into her phone?
Yeah.
That's fine. That is my
I can get
only
the number.
cousin.
All right.
My brother. Hey. My best friend is police.
No, I know.
My mom was parole.
Hi.
Put your feet down. So here's the deal. You're under arrest. You want to keep showing your ass, I can show my ass. And what that means is I'm going to put you in leg shackles to where you can't
He's saying
relax.
this is not there, so
Just sit
he's gonna
back.
throw it away.
Or you can sit back here like an adult and act like an adult, and then I'll treat you like an adult. But if you want to act like a child, I can treat you like a child. I don't care where you're from. Okay? So keep your feet off of my ceiling, off of my windows, quit kicking my door, quit hollering. You can sit here, you'll go to jail, and you'll be done with it. You want to play games?
Ah!
Get out.
Ow! I can't. Seatbelt. Ow! Ow!
Go off the cuff. You can try to act like your hand's in there. We both know it isn't. Turn around.
Oh!
They're both double locked.
What did you pop in your mouth?
I didn't put anything in my mouth.
Yes, you did. I saw you on camera.
Go ahead and pull this one off.
I didn't put anything in my mouth.
Oh my God.
Nope, you're extra.
Thank you.
That's as bad as they go.
Alright, just lean her forward for a minute.
Bit chilly.
Maybe you should have kept your jacket on.
Thank you.
Okay. Back in.
Can you check the rest of it?
Charges: trespass in structure or conveyance, disorderly conduct, resist or obstruct officer without violence.
Is there anything else you'd like to do?
Take a
get
seat.
in.
Let's go.
Should I strip?
We'll take care of that after jail.
I'll take care of that when I'm in jail. Ah, it's a bit tight, the right one is.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what happens
The
when
right
you
one
pull
never,
them off.
well, the right one never came out.
Doesn't matter.
Can I still put my legs up? Well, actually, you have to stop missing that stuff.